What's wrong, bro? What's wrong? What's wrong? Not going hunting tomorrow?
You said I can't.
Oh, man. You can Fortnite all day, though, right?
No.
Fortnite's better. Nice and warm. Good morning, everybody. So, our first spot, we showed up and there was about 6 other trucks. It was an 80-acre lot. We bailing out. So we're gonna go look for a smaller piece of land. Hopefully nobody's on it, and we can get at least a good scouting for the evening hunt, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yep. Other than that, we did see 2 deer this morning. So this was some promise for the Wisconsin opener.
Oh, right there.
Deer?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, man. Y'all see that? Y'all see that deer? That's the field that Richie wanted to hunt. That 6'5" Creedmoor would have done some dirt, huh?
Yep. From here.
Standing there?
Uh-huh. Middle of the field.
So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we get some hunting done. Opening day in Wisconsin, and we're still on the road looking for another spot. Here we go. We are just doing some scouting, and we just bumped into all these deer. Oh man,
they're there.
Gone already.
No, they're gonna pop up.
They're gonna pop up on the road right here. So they pop up right here.
They're about to get shot.
No, they just kept running down.
Oh well, this
We got
is
some hunters down there, so we just helped that guy out.
yep. This is a piece of property that we used to hunt.
Oh, so the money.
Where those deer come from? No, it's not.
Yes, they are.
We're in a different spot now. Let's see if they get shot.
This is our next spot, too.
Man, we've been seeing a lot of deer. Is it right here yet?
Yeah. Right up the street.
We'll keep going. See if we can beat
They
them.
stop. Look at that. We can grab. Boom. One. Looking at us.
Man, we've seen a lot of deer today, huh?
That's 3 plus 3 plus 3.
It's a lot.
So
Now, what's 3 plus 3 plus 2?
6.
9.
Today is November 17th, 2018. It's the Wisconsin regular
Gun season.
gun season opener.
Gun deer.
Gun deer
First day.
season opener. It's the first day.
We're sitting right on a deer trail right here.
We're sitting right on the beach here.
As you can see, the deer just goes right here, hops over this log, walks between those 2 trees. And we're just gonna sit and wait and see if one comes in front of Clyde's scope, right? Nick! Nick! Clyde, come over here, Clyde. Hey, hey, Clyde, don't shoot it. Hey! Good shot, good shot.
Clyde. Clyde, come over, Clyde. Hey, Clyde, don't shoot it. Good shot, good shot.
Man, come on, Clyde.
No, there might be another one, dude.
Get ready, Clyde. You take too long, Clyde.
Shit, I knew I should have put my bullets in before fucking...
Nick didn't even see that deer, too.
I know, we had it.
What the hell, you guys?
I was hoping it was going to come right to here, but Clyde...
There was, dude. It looked bad, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I was shaking. I could have got my first deer.
Could have. You want to go check it out? Let's go.
As soon as I pulled the gun up, it was ready. If I shot, I would have shot my dad dead. First day, one deer.
Yeah? Clyde took too long, man. Clyde didn't even get to shoot it. What is it?
As soon as I got the gun up to my shoulder.
It's a spawn buck, huh? Look like a spawn buck. Nice shot, though, man. Nice shot, man.
Well, you
Nice.
Does that mean he got in the heart?
It's a headshot.
It was running too.
Yeah.
I didn't feel a kick, man.
Oh, man. That is not good for TV, guys.
Graphic warning.
Nice shot, nice shot.
With this gun, bro.
Nice shot.
That's a good idea, bro.
I would have got it.
No, you didn't.
Unless Sonny has a bag. Ooh, it looks handy. Little baby.
Yeah, this guy was just staring at us.
Yeah, dude, he's dumb.
Clyde, come on, Clyde.
Oh, it takes these little guys to
I was
make it work for
thinking
us.
about putting my barrel on the log so I could shoot. Daddy, how come I couldn't just do that? But you made me hold it.
Well, I told you not to shoot a scope.
What were you looking at? Were you looking down here or over there?
I was looking up there.
Bro, you gotta look down
I was
here.
looking like way over there.
Yeah, look over here.
It's too far from me.
You didn't see this deer? It came out from over here.
I only saw it when
Forget that. Forget that right now, Nick. Just go all the way down.
when they were staring at us.
Go down
And then-
around the booty hole.
Yep. Nope. Just scoop everything out.
Well, you can't scoop it out.
This dude. Just like that, huh? Did the dirty work. One and done.
Hold your gun. Here, give me your gun.
I'm gonna go get one again.
You're gonna fall, bro. Here. Grab a hand and drag it. Hey, come on. I told you you're gonna fall.
Whoa.
Did you see anything?
Huh?
Client. Nothing?
He said he wanted to go back to the truck.
Exactly.
The dude like kept moving. Like moving stuff, kicking leaves. Like,
all he
"Quiet,
does."
you gotta be quiet, dude. I was like,
I
do you want to
wasn't
go back to the
kicking
truck?
leaves.
Yeah, you were. Like, do you want to go back to the truck?
I was
all he
getting
does, bro.
I'm like,
bored.
well,
If he
you
doesn't
go back
do
to the
that,
truck.
he's
You're not coming
talking.
back tomorrow. He goes, why? Like,
You pretty close to getting your first deer today?
Mhm.
What happened?
I can pull the gun up to my shoulder.
Too heavy, huh?
No.
Too much clothes?
Mhm.
Told you it was too cold today, huh? Should've just stayed home, huh? What'd it feel like when you saw the deer?
Exciting?
Did you almost cry?
No.
Then why were you crying last night?
Because you're messing with me.
Should've just stayed home, huh? How come you're not hunting right now?
You didn't let me.
Why?
Because you said I don't have any clothes.
You don't got nothing on, bro.
I was going to put it on, but you said I'm not going. Because you said you said you have to watch me and you don't want to do that.
Watch you miss another deer?
No.
Well, what do you want to tell the folks at home? They're missing out, huh? Maybe you'll see one next year, huh? And actually bring the gun up to your shoulder, huh?